No, 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 no. Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Aloha VW gang, you know what it is. We out here with the GTI, and today I just got the notification that we have a shipment coming through.
Yes!
So we are going to yeet all of the SAI and emissions equipment on this 1.8T. So let's shed some weight. That's not good.
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
And there you have it. A whole lot of junk. Anyways, mail time. Alright, so it looks like most of the parts came in, all from different places. This right here is the Jack Spania ignition harness kit from eBay. Got the aluminum coolant flanges for the 1.8T, found this on Amazon. Last but not least, the EVAP and SAI kit assembled by Eurotune. They have a couple of options for the kit, a lot of add-ons, but just to keep it simple, I got the one with no catch can setup. And that's about it. I'm still waiting on the block off plate for the SAI. That one got shipped separately from 034 Motorsports, but in the meantime, I can still install everything else. But the first thing I'm gonna take care of is the ignition harness, since the engine harness actually runs down the side of the motor where all the coolant flanges and the SAI is at. That's why I recommend you do all of these things at the same time to save yourself some trouble with the limited space you'll have. I will make a full separate tutorial on how to install this, so stay tuned for that. So here's our coolant situation here. This flange here is already falling apart. And then we got some MacGyver situation here. And I didn't even notice this until I got under the car, but looks like we got some fancy lower radiator hose setup.
Jesus Christ.
Got that triple square bit from the axle bolts. If you ever need a coolant plug, I guess that will fit perfectly. So one thing about this kit is it does not come with an aluminum piece for the auxiliary water pump on the late Mark IV automatics. One of the hoses from the water pump enters here. So I just have to go with another plastic piece. This one is the Dorman 627006. So no need for the drill bit plugs. And of course, new thermostat and gasket. Alright, last but not least, the delete kit. As you can see, not even a whole lot of parts here. All of this replaces that pile of junk I took out and makes a massive difference. It takes more work taking everything out than installing this, which is real simple. Here we got the lower block breather, which is aluminum and not plastic. Brake booster hose. Upper Y hose for the valve cover. Vacuum tubing for your diverter valve. Evap resistors. This we definitely need since the tuned ECU was a dud. Vacuum caps. And a plug which goes right onto the lower block breather hose. It's a simple hose setup, goes from the lower block breather to the valve cover and the last end into the hockey puck valve. That's about it for this video. You know the drill. Go ahead and drop a like, leave some comments, subscribe if you're not, and don't forget to turn on notifications. Mahalo VW gang for watching. See you guys in the next video.